What's up YouTube, this is B-Side Investing. We're looking into our 10x 10k challenge. So on the day we are up 8.47%, sitting at $4,400, and the day high was at 4,700 at about 12 to 13%. And looking at BNGO was up today at a high of about 8.93, so about 22%, and currently it's at 786, up 1% after hours. And looking at our gains, okay, so we're up $67. Not much, but I mean, that's something, right? So it's really good. They haven't released any news or anything, but we all know that BNGO is, it is the genomic stock, and also I believe Kathy Woods from ARK talked about it along with CRISPR, so that might be a catalyst as well. So let's see now. Get into HIVE. So HIVE, we were up 13%, even though Ethereum was up like 2 or 3%, and Bitcoin was not even up that much because all the other miners were down, but they just recovered after close to close. They were down 2-3%, and HIVE was up about 10% throughout the day. So if you see, did shoot up to 517, but there wasn't any news. It was just because of the EIP1559, I believe, EIP1559. So still don't know much about, haven't grasped the entire thing, so I can't really say much about it. I don't want to give out false information. So once I grasp everything about it, it's like a improvement for Ethereum. So I believe that got approved, and it's going to take an effect August of this year. So that's why it HIVE shot up, and so HIVE is looking a lot better with the recent news of the EIP 1559. That improvement, we are going to see Ethereum price shoot up higher, and you already know then HIVE is going to shoot up more than Ethereum. So HIVE is looking like the stock to get. So like, that's crazy. It's crazy how we're already in it, huh? So HUT, Bitcoin didn't move up much, so yeah, not looking at much movement, but the market seems to be doing good, at least for me, kind of. I mean, I was looking at about 12% in the morning, and then it came back all the way down to like 3-4%. So that's my general portfolio. So let's see. Yeah, so we still have a long way to go. Still minus 15 this past week, so yeah, pretty bad. But I think we're looking at the uptrend now. Now we'll see what happens tomorrow, but I feel like it's now on the upward trajectory, and a lot of stocks were doing really good. And let's see, BITFARM about break even. So once again, no news from BITFARM, but BITFARM is really undervalued at the moment. I feel like I've got 3 solid winners for if cryptocurrency, or if Bitcoin and Ethereum do what I'm expecting them to do. I feel like these 3, HIVE, HUT, BITFARM, I'm sure others as well, they're gonna do good as well, but I feel like BITFARM, HUT, and HIVE, these 3 in these particular stocks, these companies, they're gonna do exponentially better than what the other ones will do. HIVE Ethereum price is going to shoot up because of this EIP 1559. HUT really undervalued. If you look at the market cap to hash rate, HUT and BITFARM still a long way to go. We still got the US market to get into, not the OTC, I mean the bigger listing. We still have more exposure from that. We'll get more exposure. We still have more Bitcoin hodling, more news, the Q3, Q4 news that they're going to come up with, their financials. They also, BitFarm has 8 exahash to go by the end of next year. So, and I'm pretty sure HUT is going to not get left behind. So you already know HUT is going to come back. They're probably in the works doing some deal. So HUT, HIVE, BitFarm. I feel like I've got these 3 solid, really just waiting for exponential growth. And I'm going to load up more. Just like it's like that frustration of not having enough cash to invest with. It's crazy right now. So yeah. Anyways, feel free to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Please know this is not financial advice. Please do your own DD, invest wisely. Especially do more research on HIVE, HUT, Mara, and BitFarm. Mara has about 10 exahash by Q1 next year, so you know they're going to be making they're going to be hodling a lot of Bitcoin. So yeah, especially do research on these 4 and just get that conviction and invest in them. It's crazy. Like, if Bitcoin goes to 150 as what my price target is, it's going to be crazy. These companies will exponentially make more money than what Bitcoin is going to multiply into. So the miners are, in my eyes, the way to invest in. Sure, you can invest in the crypto itself, but I feel like the miners make more money, and I have a chance of making more money in the miners than the crypto itself. So yeah, check that out. Do your research. You'll figure that out. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.